And I'm gonna show you Hello Kitty backpack. It's good, and this can come up and inside it, right inside. It's like that, and I know like a good smell comes in, and this is so. You see. On the back, right, you see right here, they give you this, but you don't put these in. So they give you this, so you see this middle part doesn't hurt you from keep holding it or doing that when you do this when it's not on. When you do this and nothing's on the back, or right here, like nothing's on the back right here, you might feel that metal part, and it might hurt you. So that's why they give you really good things. And for the front right here, this little pocket, you see? It's just like extra stuff you put in. Yeah. And I'm gonna show you the bottom. They give you 2 pockets right here. And every backpack has a 2 pocket. And this is a real backpack. You see, they give you like 2 of these and 2 parts to put in. And I'm going to show you how to walk. Here. Now we're going to walk. And it's really good. If you want to do that, you could just do that a little bit. If you're like small, you could just do like, some kids can be small, so they do that and then that. So, thank you for, and it's a Hello Kitty one, and I'm the fan of Hello Kitty. I'm wearing a Hello Kitty shirt. And thank you for watching the videos. By the way, my name is Neha, and it's good to see you.